So this is my flea market bounty from the 10th of March, and I have waited until today to show it to you all. It's a lot of stuff. Let's get going. Please subscribe and click on the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. So here's my bounty from the 10th of March, including this over here. This is amazing wrapping paper cutter for a shop, and because I do a shop in December, this will be perfect. This amazing umbrella. So you know that what happened in the 50s was that they made umbrellas so that they were also jewelry. So if you were walking around and it wasn't raining, you would wear it on your arm. So this is gorgeous, and it comes with a sleeve, but it's super tight. I'm trying to get it off because I think it's worth showing you. It's even got like a little metal piece that's still intact, which is unusual. I won't open it all the way because I don't want to have bad luck. But you can see, so I do have a collection of umbrellas, but all my umbrellas have linings. This one doesn't, so this means this is the one I'm going to put in the car, and I will use it when it's raining. I'll have to test it first because I don't want to get wet when I go out. And this, oh my goodness, absolutely gorgeous. I would say like a 1950s handbag. It still has a little mirror in it, and I will do some detail shots here, but nice lining on it. I already have one of these little chairs, and when I went on the 3rd of March from my previous video, which I'll put a link here, the guy was selling 2 of these from the lady that had all those little dollhouse pieces that I was showing you. And I didn't want to buy 2 because I already had 1, and I thought 3 is kind of awkward, you know, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. So I just wanted 1, and I didn't want to break up the pair. But when I went this last week, he'd sold one of them, so this one was left over. So I got it, and I'll put it up with my other one. And they're super, super cute, very sturdy. And then I know you think I'm crazy, but I'm really into these 1960s, 1970s plastic flowers. These are a different quality than the plastic flowers that you get nowadays. I mean, look, there's even a snapdragon here. I mean, I cannot believe the quality of this. It's going to have a bath. I'll put everything in the bath with some soapy water, and it has like a little bit of dust and residue on it, but honestly it'll clean up fine. I already have a few carnations that are plastic, and I've been dying to find more, so this will look great together. So this is now my 3rd one like this. It's a crochet, it's beautiful pansies, which I love. Okay, some beautiful Swiss ribbon, could be German. But there is a place in Evelina where they have ribbons like this. So these are the Rossler. Now this has got still the logo on it, little stamp. These are some Rossler bowls. This is what I do collect, but I couldn't resist. They're super sturdy, 1960s. They're actually in a museum. I'll put the link here as well for the museum that talks about this. And then there were these 2. I don't really like the brown ones as much, but I love this handle. And some of the Rosslers they have a lower bottom. This is a high middle, and they usually have like a lower bottom, and they have a rounded handle, and I don't like those. I really like this pointy thing and this sort of above the middle waist. I mean, I think I was practically given this by the woman, so I couldn't resist. Nice big box. Ooh, it's still got something in it. Croûte aux champignons. So it's a recipe, and on the back of it is an invitation to something in 1987, so I'm sure the box is older than that though, but it's beautiful. It actually looks like some of my handkerchiefs, so thought that was fun. So this is a little egg cup. I have a little Easter collection that I put out on my temporary display area that has all sorts of egg cups and egg related things. So this has a ceramic mouthpiece, it looks like, and then it's metal. Everything else is metal. Now, I would not normally go for something like this, but the stall holder was like pleading for me to buy something because he was broke, and with the coronavirus pandemic and the markets have been shut, he was really suffering. So I did find this, and actually I'm really happy with it. It's completely embroidered. So what they've done is they've embroidered just the in and out, so like a weave, and then they've woven through these patterns, and it's beautiful. And I think that will look good as a backdrop in my dollhouse, so it will have a place to live. So this is a ceramic. It's like a roast dish. Just check the back. So it says it's from France, 22/11/1930. Okay, so it actually has the date on it that it was made, and it's obviously really good condition. It doesn't have any chips on it. So you could put a chicken on here or a roast beef or something like that, and it will drain into the bottom, so you know it's not like sitting in its juices. This is just a loaner plate, but this is the plates that we use every day. These are my Langenthal, and I have a video, I'll put a link here, with some of my Langenthal stuff in it. And they're just like really sturdy, like what restaurants used to use these kind of things. And I'm always looking for an extra plate. This one I'm going to probably put with the one I bought last time. They're very similar. And I don't know what brand this is or where it's from, but it's probably, I would say it's French. It's either a Dijon or a Gien or a Lunéville or Badonviller or Sarragamine. I can't think of any others, but I can't read the brand on that. So, but it's that style. That's like a little soap dish, or you could put anything wet in it. It's got like a little ridges in the bottom here. This is a brand new Christmas decoration, but it has these little tiny wood figures in it, and I thought that would look good in my dollhouse. I think I got it for free. I mean, most times when you buy a couple things, you get stuff for free. This I actually bought when I bought these plastic flowers, and I think this is probably one of the best things I found. I don't think it has a big value in monetary value, but it has a lot of value to me. So there's a department store in Geneva. It is now called Globus. It used to be called Grand Passage, and I actually worked there as a teenager when I was back here for the summer, being a cash register lady, whatever that's called. And this is when they would have a runway show at the shop. They would probably give these to everybody, and it's got this little tiny pencil in it, and you would write down what dresses that you liked on here. Okay, the reason I bought this is I already have the same exact one, but I don't know why I got it. I don't really need it, but it's a 1957 trinket that was given if you were at the hospital for Christmas, and it probably had candies in it. I've already got two others, but they have different drawings on them, and I think I have the same one. But you know, when it's like a franc, you don't care. You just get it anyway. You think, you never know. Oh, there's another bowl. Actually, there was 5 bowls. This is so cute. So it would also be for like soap, or I think you could even put potpourri in it. It has little holes in the top, but the reason I like it, it has these little decals of chicks on it. And it's probably, it's not dollhouse size, so this is child size, and it probably would have been in a set for a bathroom, and it would have been very expensive. I think I paid 4 francs for it, but I thought it was fun. Anyway, I couldn't resist. This one's also for potpourri. The reason I like this, it has an acorn on the top, and I thought I could put either potpourri in it for nice smelling things, or I have a little collection of acorns. I'll put the link here as well, and I thought that might be fun to put in there. Alright, well this I don't really have any explanation for, so we'll just put that here. Some forks. But these knives, so when you go to a restaurant, when I was younger here in Switzerland, this is the kind of knife that every restaurant would have. And I think for some reason, I feel like you eat better when you have old utensils. And I've been looking for these knives. I've got some fondue forks with this handle. It's just plastic, but I think it's fun. And actually, I feel like they still work really well. So they're in good shape, and I got 6 of them. I had to look through 3 boxes to get all 6 of them. There was a stall where they were giving everything away free because it was the end of the day. So I've got some stuff here I would not normally buy, and I've already given a couple pieces to other people. But I just thought I will try and do something with it, and if not, at least I will be respectful to it, because when people saw it was free, they were like rabid dogs. They were just throwing themselves at it. It wasn't fun at all to see. Now this, I don't know if it's a painting or a print. It could just be from a calendar, but I thought if I can get this nice and flat and put it as a backdrop to my dollhouse, that would be really nice, because it's kind of like sepia tones. It looks like a painting, but I think it's actually a print, but an old print. So I got it for free. The watch band that I have on my watch right now, so I have a Mondaine watch, and the watch bands cost 40 francs, and it's just too expensive. And when I go to the flea market, there's a guy who sells brand new watch bands for 3 francs, so I always look to get some extra ones. I'll keep them in my jewelry box, and then if this one breaks, I just change it out. It's perfect. So this is a little cute thing. That's to go with the Easter stuff as well. And these, I think these were all in the free stand, so I got them because I make jewelry out of broken plates, so I thought it might be fun to have that. And this was in the free stand as well. I would normally get this because I find that the crochet thread is too thick for my liking. I like it more finer, but it was free, so I will put it to good use. And then this is my favorite bit right here. I'm so excited about this. So in my dollhouse, I have some glass. I just hope this isn't broken because she didn't wrap it very well. Make sure there's nothing stuck in there. So I got everything in this box for 10 francs. This is again like for a child size play, but not dollhouse. But I could put it in the dollhouse with something in it. And then I got 2 tea sets, and I will take a close-up picture of it. But this one is a 1930s one with the tray, cups and saucers, a creamer, has a lid. Okay, so it just doesn't have a sugar bowl, but it is super cute, and I would say that's from the 1930s. And then there was this tray, and so I assembled on it. It's a metal tray. I assembled on it. This is my favorite. So these are blown glass little tea set, and they're so delicate. I mean, you know, I have a collection of Christmas decorations that are blown glass, and I just think it's so special when you can find them and they're not broken. So I got all of that for 10 francs, and I think I would have paid anything because these little cups of blown glass with the little handles, it's too cute. If you enjoy watching my videos, I do lots of different playlists, and you can have a look on my website. Please follow Lisa. Click on the like button if you like this, and please comment below because I really like to hear from everybody. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos.